Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing subscription for the month of March. Very excited to see what came this month. There we go. You do get a return label in case there's anything you don't want. You just put it back in the bag, put the mailing label, and send it back. You don't get charged for it. And then on the other side of that label, they tell you everything you've gotten and how much it costs. So, wow, looks like a ton this month. Let's look at this one first. And I'll show you everything close up, and then I'll insert pictures at the end. This is an oversized t-shirt. Really pretty color. Very soft. The sleeves are rolled up. And it's kind of like a high-low. Has a little longer part in the back. So that would be super cute and comfy. This one's from Hippie Chick. Let's see what this is. So this is probably a dress or just a really long top for leggings. And I say this every month, but I get a lot of like the cutout shirts, but I'm okay with that because it kind of jazzes up like a plain shirt, and I tend to wear a lot of plain shirts, so very cute. Something green. So I actually have something for St. Patrick's Day. That's cool. Oh, that's pretty. It's a really nice green. It's a long sleeve sweater with gold buttons all the way down. That's cute. So we got that in the first bundle. Ooh. So these are leggings. And I think I'm actually wearing a pair of Nadine West shorts right now. I'm obsessed with them. They're super soft, and this feels like the exact same material. So even though it's kind of a wild print, I do work from home. So I wear a lot of lounge wears and whatever. I don't even care what it looks like. So that's cool. There's our jewelry. Oh, cute. Got a little beanie. So I haven't gotten one of those before, I don't think. It has a rose on it, and it's fleece lined on the inside. So super soft and cute. Next up, some pants that remind me of the 90s, which was my favorite period of time that I've lived through. So, how cute. Zip down pockets. And these are really soft too. Nice and stretchy. And then the last piece of clothing. Well, that's interesting. So, it's a dark gray shirt. White stripes on the sleeve and around the collar, and then it's kind of like twisted in the front like a little bow. That's neat. Cute. So again, I will put all the pictures of that up at the very end. Just going to go through the jewelry real quick. I always tend to get a necklace, bracelet, and earrings. I think last month I had a Druzy crystal as well. So here's one really large pendant. Some little danglies. That's pretty. Super long necklace. And it is adjustable. We do have that. Then we have the bracelet. Yeah, so it's unhooked, but let me see here. Oh, I think that's really pretty. That would look unique on. Little black design in the middle. Kind of looks like a clover, 4-leaf clover. These look familiar. I wonder if these are ones I've had before, or maybe I had a necklace that matched it. So these got a gold theme this month. Really cute little leaves. Those are really nice. I tend to not wear dangly earrings. I just keep the same ones in all the time. But I might wear those. Those are really cute. So that's what I got. I'll go ahead and insert the pictures. If you guys want to try Nadine West, I do have a promo code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.